In this video, we will learn how to grow beets in old fruit wooden baskets. Growing beets in old wooden baskets can be a charming and sustainable way to cultivate these nutritious root vegetables. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you grow beets from seed to harvest in old wooden baskets. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification for more videos like this. Step number 1. Choose the right variety of beet. There are so many varieties of beets. You need to select a beet variety that suits your taste preference and growing conditions. Step number 2. Prepare the wooden basket. Ensure that wooden baskets are in good condition and have drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. Line the inside of basket with some kind of sheet, burlap or fabric to keep the soil from falling through the gaps while still allowing excess water to drain. Step number 3. Place the basket in a sunny location. Beets need full sun to grow well. If you don't have a sunny spot, you can grow them in partial shade, but they won't be as productive. Beets need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day to reach their full potential. Number 4. Prepare the soil. Beets grow best in loose, well-draining soil with a pH between 6 and 7.5. Fill the wooden basket with a mixture of compost, well-rotted manure and garden soil. Avoid using heavy soil like clay as they can lead to misshapen or stunted beets. Number 5. Sow the beet seeds. Beet seeds are very small, so it's best to sow them directly in the potting soil. Cover the seed with a thin layer of potting soil. Be careful not to bury the seed too deeply, as this can make it difficult for them to germinate. Number 6. Water the seeds well. Water the seeds well after sowing. You may need to water them more often than you would if you were growing them in ground, as the potting soil will dry out more quickly. Beets need moist soil to germinate, so it is important to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Number 7. Thinning. When the beet seedlings are few inches tall, thin them to provide adequate space for each plant to grow. Remove the weaker or overcrowded seedlings, leaving the strongest ones spaced according to variety recommendations. Number 8. Fertilization. Fertilize the beets when they are about 2 inches tall. Use a balanced fertilizer and follow the direction on the fertilizer label. Beets are heavy feeder, so they will need to be fertilized every few weeks. A balanced fertilizer will provide the beets with nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. By following these steps, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of beets grown in your old wooden baskets. That is it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell notification for more videos like this.